Good news, guys. We have captured the funny man.
Just save it for the judge.
Although something does seem a little off about him. I just can't pinpoint it just yet. Today, we're gonna be searching this 2014 Ford Interceptor Sedan. We're gonna search it for goodies, weapons, guns, equipment. We're gonna try to figure out where it came from, where it's going, and we're gonna try and find that biscuit. It looks like it's missing the spotlights. That's all right, I got plenty of those. Look, in 2014, they changed the hubcaps over from these Crown Vic looking ones to these. Unfortunately, I don't have them all. What's up, buddy? I think he wants to be my security man because he keeps following me around. We got a antenna here. There is a hideaway light right there. Okay, let's take a quick look inside. This car has the seats, which is pretty cool because just about every other one has the prisoner seats, like this one right here. This car was an unmarked slick top police, never had a light bar, but they did use visor lights, just like these sound offs. That's pretty freaking awesome. It's activated right there. I'm gonna start searching from the front, working my way all the way to the back. Smoking kills. This is some naloxone. It's for people who overdose, and it brings them back to soberness. And check it out, the full tarot card, is that what they're called? Code 3 USB flash drive. Oh, nice. Gerber, all in one kit. It's like a survival tool. I thought Gerber only made baby formula. Check out the most fakest fake ID in existence. This looks so fake. Holy smokes. This is from another car a while back. Looks like I'm gonna have to go find these missing pieces here. A walnut. Check it out. A Tough Cop. Some sort of holster. Definitely a taser holster. I don't have my taser to demonstrate, but you get the idea. And this looks like a freaking mess. Some type of tactical cop sweater. Ooh, let's see. A Havis center console. Check this out. Oh, sweet. This has the... So this is a faceplate for a Code 3 Z3 with the mic. And look, it even has the freaking stickers to go with it. Most of these Taurus Interceptor sedans come with a Code 3 Z3 for some reason, but never in this good of a condition. Nice. Do not use for cigarette lighter. Okay, look, this thing is just snaps right off. I think all the wiring is there. Oh, I might be able to just plug that thing right in. What is this? Some sort of lights by Gaull's Ford something system. Sweet. Let's light these up. All right, let's check the other side. Bunch of cop stuff. Oh, I thought this was some sort of weapon for a quick second. But it looks like a soldering tool. Oakley cop glasses. .511 tactical flashlights. There's always a flashlight up there. Looks like they forget. Better for me. Ooh, Lutheran Castle vandalism. Evidence. Stick to the end. I'm gonna go and show you guys the evidence. Cold sore medicine. And too, I wonder what the hell went here. Fingerprint thingy. Looks like something that wraps around a shotgun barrel. We thought we saw a butt of a gun back there, but it was actually something else. A connector. Damn it, so close. Let's check the back. I'm really digging these seats back here. Probably a knife pouch, baton holder, earplugs so they don't have to hear the prisoners whining. shotgun holder, the bottom piece, the butt holder. All these random pieces. And what is this? Interesting. I've never seen anything like this before. This is a Cold 3 wingman. I haven't really ever seen anything like this before. Looks like I'm gonna have to cut this so I can light this up because I don't have the other plug in. Sweet. Nice. Guys, this one is the 3.7. So this one is actually faster than this one right here. As soon as I get some tags on this thing, I'm gonna take it out to the street and put it to the test. Yeah, check it out. This thing only has 43,000 miles. And she will be available for sale here in about a week. Let's pop the hood. Clean, dirty but clean. Let's check this out. This is an interesting looking federal signal light. Looks like the cover is missing. And I'm willing to bet you that this cover mounted right up here is the one that belongs. Let's light it up. Look at that. Very nice. You can't go wrong with a federal signal. There's another little shotgun barrel thing. Not sure what this is, but looks like a cotton swab for collecting DNA. Makes sense. And look at this. It's a genie's lamp. Mr. Genie, please give me 1 million subscribers. Yeah. Okay, I unsnapped the other piece and oh, look at that. Holy. Oh, money, money. Oh, what a disappointment. This isn't real. Why me? This looks so real, actually. There's no Benjamin right there. That line is fake. And it feels super real, but there's some Chinese writing right there, and the ink is just off. I don't have a real one to compare it to because I'm broke right now, but maybe. I think a criminal tried to hide it back there so that he doesn't get caught with it. Please be a biscuit, and I ain't talking about bread. Please be a biscuit. Okay, where should I start from? What in the world is this? Premium cartridge. Looks like a laptop holder, laptop mount. And here's the rest of the Z3 with all the connections to it. Pretty cool. I'm gonna have to take all those connections off very carefully so I can try and reuse this thing. Altoids. Some old weed and some rolling papers. They probably took it away from a criminal and forgot it back there. You won't be needing this. What's wrong, buddy? What's wrong? Why are you barking at me all of a sudden? He decided he don't like me no more. Son billetes.
¿Son fake o son de verdad?
Son falsos. Imagínate, te pagan unos 10 de esos y ya ni cómo los encuentres. Y luego la policía no hace nada porque dicen, ¿y cómo sabes que él fue el que te los dio?
Agarra así el papel. It feels the same as the...
Yeah, feels real.
Shit.
I could never tell.
No.
I've been like, oh, cool.
Fuck.
Let's go use them at the store. All right, it's chow time, funny man. Now eat. Here, eat your food.
Really? How about you,
That's not gonna get you out of this jail.